it's Aubrey from We Make Movies. In our previous tutorial, you learned how to capture better audio using Apogee MetaRecorder and Clip Mic. But what if there's more than one on-screen talent in the shot? With MetaRecorder's link feature, you can deploy up to 4 iPhones equipped with clip mics, link the phones over Wi-Fi, then operate them all from one master iPhone. To explain how it works, I'm going to introduce the designer of MetaRecorder, Roger Rabindure from Apogee Electronics.
Hi, Roger from Apogee Electronics. To use MetaRecorder's link feature, you'll need to enable unlimited multi-device recording on one of your phones, which then serves as the master. The phones that connect as satellites only require unlimited single-device recording, which is enabled when you connect the clip mic. To get started, there are a few settings to make before recording. First, to avoid the interruption of your recordings from incoming phone calls, set your iPhones to airplane mode in settings. Next, to use the link feature, enable Wi-Fi on all iPhones and connect them to a common Wi-Fi network. If no network is available, it's possible to use peer-to-peer Wi-Fi with a reduced connection range. To use peer-to-peer Wi-Fi, enable Wi-Fi, then verify that Wi-Fi status is shown as not connected. On the master iPhone, open MetaRecorder, tap the Link tab, then tap Use as Master Recorder. On the satellite iPhones, navigate to that same tab and tap Use as Satellite Recorder. Now, all iPhones will automatically link over Wi-Fi and appear in the master iPhone's Link tab, with each phone represented by a row of controls. On each satellite's link tab, you'll see local controls plus the current link status, which should read Connected to Master. Once all your iPhones are linked, most MetaRecorder operations performed on the master, including the play stop, record pause, and add marker buttons, are mirrored to all connected satellites. Similarly, when you create, edit, or sync to Dropbox a new scene on the master, that operation is performed as well on the satellites. With one important exception, the scene input name. You want to have a unique input name for each phone. For example, enter each talent's name or role here. Now that the phones are linked, enable the safe screen mode on the satellites by swiping from left to right just above the transport controls. After wiring the talent and concealing the iPhone, it's time to set levels. On the Master's Link tab, you'll see a row of controls for each connected phone. In each row, you'll see the following indicators and controls: remaining record time and battery charge, the input name, clip mic gain setting, and the audio monitor button. To set the recording level for each phone, tap the corresponding audio monitor button to hear the input signal, then adjust the gain setting so that the signal reaches the meter's yellow bars. Now you're ready to record. On the master phone or your Apple Watch, tap Record. You'll see a confirmation that all phones commence recording. You can switch to the Recording Play tab to view the waveform and add markers. Remember that markers are added to all the satellites. During recording, satellites may move out of Wi-Fi range, especially if you're using peer-to-peer Wi-Fi. Don't worry, recording continues with no interruption. Once the take is done, move satellites closer to the master. The link is automatically reconnected and control is reestablished. When you've finished a take, you can verify the recordings on all the phones by tapping play on the master, then tapping each phone's audio monitor button. You can also favorite, delete, and add keywords to takes all from the master. Once again, these settings are mirrored to all satellites. Using the iPhones you already have with MetaRecorder and Clip Mic, you now have access to the audio quality and flexible workflow that previously were only available to a large budget production.